Hello grade 2s, today is Tuesday, and yesterday we started talking about this fancy word, capacity. And do you remember what capacity means? Say it out loud. How much something can hold, okay? Now, if I told you it can hold 2 cups, well, you could have a cup that's one size and I might have a cup that's a different size. And what if I had a friend in Australia and I wanted to tell her how much it held, but her cups are different than my cups, so how would I know? Just like when we did length and we did how much something weighs, there was a standard unit or a unit that anywhere in the world you could tell them that your container holds this much water and everybody would know, okay? So in length, we talked about centimeters. In weight, we talked about grams and kilograms. In capacity, we're going to talk about liters. And liters is a measurement that anybody in the world would know. If you said you have 2 liters of water, they would know exactly what that is. Now, liters, just like when we did centimeters and grams, they have a short form. It can be a cursive L that looks like that, or it can be an uppercase L. So you will see both of those to say that the container can hold that many liters. So that's telling you how much it can hold that anybody in the world would know. So I have a measuring cup, remember from yesterday, and it holds, I've got it at the 1 liter mark, okay? And I want to see how many cups can I fill with my 1 liter, okay? So I'm gonna get my cups out here. Okay, and we're gonna see how many cups can it fill. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the first cup here. We've got 1 cup. We've got 2 cups. And we've got 3 cups. So 1 liter fills 3 of my cups. So I have 3 liters of water in my cups here. Okay? Now, I would like you to get your textbook, and we're going to open to page 73. So press pause if you need to grab your textbook, and we're going to open up to page 73 here, okay? And we're going to look at this bottle, and if I pour this bottle into my measuring cup, and if you can see 1 liter is marked at the top, how much water does this bottle hold? Well, when I poured it in, it filled it right up to the 1 liter mark. So this bottle holds 1 liter. What about this cup? When I put it in my 1 liter mark, did it fill to 1 liter? No. So we could say it's less than 1 liter. Then I take my pitcher here and I poured it into my 1 liter measuring cup, and I had to get a second one. So we would say this jug can hold more than 1 liter. So we have 1 liter, we have less than 1 liter, and we have more than 1 liter, okay? So if I looked at this and I said, which container holds the most water? What would you say? You would say the jug, right? Because it had more than 1 liter. Which one holds the least amount of water? The cup, because it was below 1 liter. You are right. Turn the page over. And question 2 says, Mr. Brown bought a carton of milk. How much milk did she buy? So we take the milk and we pour it in our measuring cup. How much milk did she buy? 1 liter, because it filled it right up to the top, 1 liter. Now we're going to look at these 2 pictures, okay? These containers are filled with dishwasher detergent, so what we use to wash our dishes. Now, you will see on the bottle, it tells us how many liters. So we have A, how many liters? 2. And then we've got this bottle, B, and how many liters does it hold? Do you see the little 5L? That's 5 liters. So which one holds more? B, and which one holds less? A, exactly. And how much more does this one hold? Well, this one holds 5 and this holds 3. So how much more? 2 more, and we can use the word liters. Can you say liters with me? Because it's 2 more liters. Now, The next thing that you're going to do is exercise 52, and you get to do this at home. I want you to ask your mom for a measuring cup that holds 1 liter. Then I want you to get a bucket and another container that holds water. It could be a bucket, it can be a can, it can be anything, 2 things that I want you to get. And I want you to, on exercise 52, the first thing is I want you to guess how many liters of water each of your containers hold. So get 2, a bucket and something else, and I want you to guess how many liters you could pour into it. Then I want you to actually fill up your measuring cup and keep putting it in and see how many liters does it actually hold. Then I want you to do to the next thing. Maybe you get a basin or you get a pot and you want to fill up. I want you to guess how many liters first you could put in. Then I want you to be measuring. Put a liter in, fill your measuring cup back up, pour it in, and see how many liters it takes, okay? And we just need to the nearest liter. So if it takes 4 and a bit, you could say 4. If it's pretty close to 5, you could say 5. But I want you to, your estimate is your guess first. Then I want you to actually measure, okay? So you need a measuring cup from Mom that has liters on it. And then you need 2 things, a bucket and a pot or something else that you can pour water in and see how much it holds, okay? So you're going to do exercise 52 and you're going to skip over to 53. So 52 is just the activity. And then I want you to do exercise 53, where we talk about liters. How many liters do these containers hold? Okay, so do exercise 52, 53, and have fun measuring in liters today.